大家好，欢迎和我学习汉字。Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. 今天我们学习第一课，第一部分。Today we will look at lesson 1, part 1. First of all, let's look at the brief history of Chinese characters. Talking about Chinese characters, the very early Chinese characters we can find today, they are on turtle shells or animal bones from about 5,000 to 6,000 years ago. These characters, the very early form, we call them 甲骨文, which means the inscriptions on turtle shells and animal bones. These characters, you can see some of them look like pictures. So Chinese characters, actually they are pictographic, means originally they're from pictures, and from generation to generation, the forms of Chinese characters have changed gradually. We can look at the examples of this evolution. At the end, these are today's characters. The first one is 人, and the original form is a picture of a person, but it's the side view of a person. So you can see this is the head and the back and the leg, and this is the arm in front of the body. And from generations to generation, the form of this character the forms have changed until to today's squared, balanced form, 人. So this character still shows the same meaning as the original picture. It means people, person, human being. And look at this character today. It is 耳, the ear. So you can see it's originally from the picture of an ear, and the forms of this character have changed gradually. And this is the character of 又. Today it means again. Originally it's from the picture of a hand, and the form of it have changed gradually as well to today's squared character. This character is 目, and you can see the original picture. It's a picture of an eye, and today the character still shows the same meaning, means the eye. So talking about this evolution, if you're interested for any Chinese character, you can log on to this website, Chinese Etymology, to find out the ancient forms of today's squared characters. Next, let's try to write Chinese characters. First, we look at the basic strokes of Chinese character, 基本笔画. The first one, 点, it's a dot, and pay attention to these arrows. It shows how do you write down these basic strokes. 点, from up to down. 横, 竖, 撇, 捺, 提. When you write Chinese characters, you also have to pay attention to the order of strokes. So before everything, you can try to understand and memorize the basic order of these strokes. Basically, you can say the orders is from left to right, and meanwhile from up to down. So we look at these characters as the example. These characters basically it's just a square. How do you know how many strokes in this character? As it shows, actually altogether 3 strokes, because you should follow this order from left to right. So this 竖 is the first stroke because it's the most left one, and after that we move to right. we move to right, you can see this is the second stroke because it's from left to right, and this one is the one at the top from up to down. And at the end, we seal it up because this stroke is the bottom one, the down one. If you can follow this order, left to right and up to down, then you don't have to start a new stroke. So that's why this point is connected, because left to right and up to down can follow the order, no problem. And this stroke, you cannot from right to left. So that's why we start a new stroke, left to right. Then in this character, there are altogether 3 strokes. And that's for today. Thank you everyone. We will continue with next video to start to write some Chinese characters.